Pozdravljeni, moje ime je Mojmir in vi ste v kuhinji za najboljše. Danes bomo predstavili nam Slovencem precej neznano kulinariko. Odpravljamo se v osrčje Afrike, bolj natančneje v Nigerijo in z veseljem bi rad predstavil našo gostjo Sharon. Sharon, zdravo.
Živijo.
Vem, da dobro razumeš slovenščino, zato bom danes jaz govoril slovensko. Mogoče ti vmes še kakšno besedo, pa bi te kar prosil, da nam poveš, kaj bomo danes pripravili.
Today we're going to prepare spicy chicken salad and we have a spicy beef sauce and at the end we would have a fried plantain.
Excellent. Torej, za pekoče piščančjo solato bomo potrebovali piščančje prsi, paradižnik, čebulo, ingver, čili, šalotko, papriko in pa seveda nekaj solate. Za glavno jed oziroma pekočjo govejo omako bomo potrebovali goveje stegno, paradižnik, česen, čili, čebulo, papriko in na koncu mlado čebulo. Kot prigrizek plantanovec bomo pa potrebovali izključno plantanovec in nekaj olja. Sharon, predlagam, da kar začneva z delom. Jaz bom prvo skuhal govedino, ti se pa lahko lotiš solate.
Okay.
Govedino bomo dali v vodo. Torej, Sharon, kaj te je pripeljalo v Slovenijo?
Love, ljubezni.
To je zelo odlično. Koliko časa potem že živiš v Sloveniji?
2 leti.
In že tako dobro razumeš vse slovensko?
Yeah, I mean, I speak all the time at home with my parents-in-law and the grandparents, so and my husband speaks Slovene to me all the time and this is good so that I would be able to get into the society faster.
Odlično. Mi lahko poveš, zakaj sva danes izbrala te jedi, so tipično nigerijske?
Because it doesn't take time to prepare and it's very easy and it's like modern so that I mean other Slovenians will be able to prepare this at home and you have all these things available in the market and to prepare at home.
Torej, tudi vi uporabljate vsa ta živila za te jedi, so enake pri vas?
Yeah, most of the things are the same like here, but some of the things we have and I can say you don't have here.
Sigurno imate več vrst čilijev.
Yeah, we have the red bell pepper, which I really love because it has it gives different aroma and taste to food. And it's spicy too, very spicy.
Torej, originalno bi za naše jedi mogli uporabiti bell peppers, to so v obliki zvončkov, ampak jih nažalost nismo dobili. V sezoni se jih da tudi pri nas dobiti, ampak danes bomo uporabili klasične rdeče čilije.
Za pikantno piščančjo solato potrebujemo 4 rdeče paprike, 8 paradižnikov, 2 čebuli, 1 čili, 100 ml rastlinskega olja, 10 g ingverja, 1 strok česna, 1 liter piščančje osnove in 2 piščančjih prsi. Recept najdete na ave.si.
Sharon, mi lahko poveš, ali te dve jedi jeste vsak dan v Nigeriji, v posebnih priložnostih?
This we eat almost every day, but like for example the spicy beef sauce, we eat it with different things. So maybe like today we eat it with rice, tomorrow we eat with pasta. So it depends on what you feel like eating that day with the beef sauce.
Torej, v obeh jedeh bova uporabila čili. Je vsa hrana v Nigeriji pekoča?
No, not all. Like for example, some people like spicy food, but some people don't like spicy food. So it depends. Those that like spicy food, they put spices, even more spices in them. And some they don't, so they don't really put a lot of spices like other people do.
Torej, Sharon, najina prva jed, pekoča piščančja solata. Sigurno imate tudi kakšno drugo solato z drugim mesom.
Yeah, we have a different kind of salad. Like we have salad that we just prepare with the beans, with the feijoa, and we put what do you call it? Potatoes, and you have mayonnaise with eggs and all this. And this is a different type of salad that doesn't have spices and stuff like that. It's just like French salad.
Aha, ok. Kakšne pa naše solate, sigurno si jih že probala, se ti zdijo v redu?
I like the salad in Slovenia because some are like really bitter. But the first time I came to Slovenia, I couldn't eat anything because for me it was different and I couldn't
Nisi bila navajena.
Yeah, and then gradually I got used to it and now I really love the salad.
Potem si se navadila tudi na vse te naše okuse, grenke kot so radič in podobno.
Yeah, I eat radič, regrat because we go around the house to pick them. And sometimes we mix it with spinach too because your spinach here is soft and you can use it too for salad. And motavilec,
seveda.
something like that. Yeah.
Kaj pa, kakšni posebni prelivi imate v Nigeriji za solate? Naprimer, kakor mi uporabljamo bučno olje, zelo radi damo čez solato.
Yeah, just maybe olive oil.
Olivno olje.
Yeah, because most of the times we use more of mayonnaise, this for salad. And those who maybe use oil or something, maybe olive oil, or we use what they call it, granite oil. Because we have a lot of granite, arachidi, and there's oil from that and it's very healthy and we use that.
Okay. Jaz bom zdaj popekel najnega piščanca. Sharon ta čas reže zelenjavo. Vso to zelenjavo bomo nato dali v mešalec, zmlela v sočno omako, jo prepražila na olju in solata bo že skoraj gotova. Sharon, najina druga jed, pekoča goveja omaka. Midva sva danes uporabila dve vrsti mesa, jeste tudi kaj rib, morskih sadežev.
Yeah, we eat a lot of fish. We eat chicken, turkey, we have goat meat, even sheep,
tudi.
Yeah. Or lamb.
Imate mogoče kakšne take specialitete iz ovčjega ali pa jagnječjega mesa?
Yeah, we have from the east, they eat a lot of goat meat, so they have most of their dishes made from meat.
Iz koze.
Yeah. Especially they have a traditional food that is made from the head of the goat with some meat and it's very spicy.
Super. Potem tudi najbrž ribe, sigurno v Sloveniji nimamo take izbire morskih rib, kakor jih imate dol.
We have a lot of fishes, so it depends on how you feel and how you feel like eating it. So sometimes we eat it with onions around it. You grill it, make it very spicy. We have we call it pepper soup with fish. So you actually cut the fish and you make a sauce from this. And
Podobno kakor danes za govedino.
Yeah, but there is more like soup. It's more watery and it's very spicy. And it's good for cold.
Super. Torej, Sharon, vem, da imate zelo radi meso. Mi lahko malo poveš, kako ga pa pripravljate? Ga vržete na žar? Vse skupaj skuhate v omaki?
Yeah, in Nigeria we like a lot of meat. We like assorted kind of meat. So most of the times, if we are preparing, for example, this spicy beef sauce, sometimes we can have the stomach inside, so which is in Slovenia you say vampe, right? You have this inside. Sometimes you can even mix it with chicken inside, with turkey. So we are not being only one type of meat straightforward. You just mix it.
Radi mešate okuse.
Yeah, that you have really tasteful food.
Potem jeste tudi vse dele živali, možgane, podobno tudi.
Yeah, it depends again from where you're from. From the north, we don't really eat all these things inside the stomach and all these kind of things. But sometimes when you move from where you are to another side, you get introduced to their own kind of food. Like for me, I like the vampe very well, but some other people don't. So when I cook, I always want to have it inside the sauce or soup or something like that.
Pa tudi kdaj, Sharon, vržete kaj na žar, na grill, samo steak navaden, tudi to kdaj jeste?
Sometimes we don't like to, we have like the whole chicken and we grill the whole chicken. And you know, spice it up and make it like, you know, really tasty. And then you have your sauce by the side that you eat maybe with rice or something. And sometimes on the street, you find that they grill just chicken or
Just
maybe
chicken.
meat, or you know, and it's really tasteful. And they don't use actually chili, but they use like ginger. So they mix ginger, a liter of chili with garlic, and this is the spice that you use to eat this kind of food from outside.
Rekla si, street food, imate veliko ulične hrane tam, veliko
Ja.
teh štantov, stojnic za hrano.
Yeah, we have a lot of places that you go outside to eat, and it really tastes really tasty.
Pa zelo enostavno, ne?
Yeah, like in the capital city, there's a place where we go to eat suya, and suya it's a meat like beef, and they cut it like really flat, and they grill it and make it spicy, and this is really nice. And we have other places that you can go out and people are selling food. You sit down there and eat.
Torej, še en pol ti je všeč to pri nas, ko imamo veliko piknikov, dostikrat pečemo kakšno meso na žaru.
Yeah, I really like the picnics here because sometimes it reminds me of home, where sometimes we have picnic and you know you have a lot of grilled food and a lot of things to eat, and this I really love, that people sit down and eat together.
Super. Vidim, da ti si zelenjavo že narezala.
Ja.
Jaz sem našega piščanca že popekel, sedaj morava vse skupaj zmiksati.
Yeah.
Tako, zdaj imamo tle not imamo paradižnik, čebulo, čili, malo ingverja, da bo vse lepo skupaj zadišalo, in pa malenkost česna. To zmiksamo in moramo zmiksati v lepo kremo. Tako, to smo zdaj zmiksali v fino kremo. To bomo vse zdaj lepo zlili na olje, ki nam je ostalo od piščanca. Še malenkost popeče, da bo zadišalo. Tako, zdaj tole se praži, malenkost posolimo. Damo malo karija. In pustimo na zmernem ognju približno pol ure, da se fajn poduši. Ta čas bo Prešeren pripravila najino govejo omako. Prešeren, mislim, da ta govedina bo kuhana. Povej, kako imate ponavadi običaje v Nigeriji, vrstni red pri kosilu, tako kot mi, najprej juha, potem glavna jed sladica, ali imate kako drugače?
Yeah, we have a little bit different. Sometimes we have fruits for the beginning, so we prepare fruit salad, which means you cut all the fruits together, what is in the season, and this you eat first or you eat later, it depends. But mostly I eat it first, the fruit salad, and then the main dish.
Ok, Šeren, kaj pa kaj sladice? Zihar imate kakšne tropske sadje, zanimive sladice?
Yeah, sometimes we have like small cakes with some icing on it or something like that. Or we have like cupcakes or ice creams mixed with some fruits or something like that.
Pa uporabljate dosti kakšnih takih tropskih sadežev, mango, pa...
Yeah. Most of the times we use whatever we have during the season. So maybe if it's the season of mango, then you see that we have more of like things that have to do with mango, orange, banana, pineapple.
Pa, če mi lahko zupaš kakšno tradicionalno nigerijsko sladico, kaj največkrat jeste, kaj mame pripravljajo?
My mom always prepares something that has to do with fruits. So mostly we eat more of fruits like all the time. So
Sveže sladice,
Yeah.
nič kuhano preveč.
No, it's mostly fruits.
Kaj pa praviš na te naše sladice, naprimer potica, sigurno si jo že probala, ti je bila všeč?
Yeah, I really love potica. My mother-in-law taught me how to prepare it, and this is one of the best that I really like.
Potem boš lahko doma in pokazala, kaj je potica.
Yeah,
Ti bo
yeah, I
sigurno
can't
všeč.
wait. Yeah.
Super. Tako, Sharon je zdaj narezala zelenjavo za našo omako, jaz sem narezal govedino. Isto kot prej bomo prvo zmiksali zelenjavo, da dobimo lepo omako, popražili malo na olju, dodali govedino, zalili z malenkost vode od govedine, začinili bomo z malenkost svežega timijana, karijem in soljo, kuhali bomo nadaljnje pol ure. Sharon,
Yeah.
2 jedi boste gotovi, ostane nam samo še plantanovec.
Za govedino v pekoči omaki potrebujemo 700 g govejega plečeta ali stegna, 1 rdečo papriko, 1 čebulo, 1 rumen čili, 8 paradižnikov, 100 ml rastlinskega olja, 1 strok česna, 1 mlado čebulo, timijan in sol. Recept najdete na ave.si.
Sharon, smo pri zadnji jedi, plantanovcu. Zgleda kot banana, ampak ni banana.
Ne, ni.
Povej mi, kaj pravzaprav je to?
This is plantain.
Huh?
Actually, it's in the family of banana, but it's different. It's bigger. You cannot eat it like banana, but it's sweet if it's very ripe. And this is unripe, and it's very good for people who have who are diabetes patients.
Oh.
Yeah. And this is why we are using this unripe banana plantain.
In ne smemo ga pa surovega jesti, ga moramo popeči, ne?
You cannot.
Ali kuhati.
You can cook it too.
Tudi
It's
kuhamo.
possible
lahko.
to cook it and fry it. So,
Kako ga vi najrajš delate? Kakšen poseben recept?
sometimes I cook it because I like cooked plantain, and sometimes like on the street they roast it and you eat it with granot, arachidi. Yeah, and sometimes some people fry it. So sometimes I
tudi.
like to fry it too when I want to eat it with egg or with rice.
Tako.
So
V bistvu lahko jo uporabljamo in za sladke in za slane jedi.
exactly.
Super. Midva jo bomo danes samo popekla na hitro.
Yeah.
Za prigrizek iz plantanovca potrebujemo 2 plantanovca in 2 žlici rastlinskega olja. Recept najdete na ave.si.
Tako. Lahko bi ga tudi cvrli, ampak mi da ga bo danes popekla v malenkost olivnega olja. Ni potrebne nobene soli, nobenega sladkorja. Že sam okus plantanovca je dosti močen. Tudi, ko ga olupimo, izgleda kot navadna banana, malenkost nezrela. Slišimo, ko Sharon to lup, zelo hrustljava, lupina, trda, kar poka. Tudi sama sredica je malenkost bolj trda. Dosem jo voham. Še sam vonj spominja na banano, ampak še vedno ni banana. Tako, jaz sem segrel olivno olje. Lahko ti vzamem, Sharon,
Ja.
par koščkov. Zelo trda, sploh ne premika. Tako, in potem Sharon popečemo 2 minuti z obeh strani
Yeah.
in vse 3 jedi bodo pripravljene za serviranje. Tako, Sharon sva končala. Pripravila sva 3 odlične jedi. Začela sva z pekočo piščančjo solato, nadaljevala sva z govejo pekočo omako, ki bi jo lahko Sharon postregla z
With rice, pasta or macaroni.
In za konec sva pa pripravila popečen plantanovec. Dala sva čez njega malenkost omake iz solate, sem ga probal, je zelo odličen. Sharon, rad bi se ti zahvalil, da si jih nam pripeljala delček svoje nigerijske kulinarike.
Hvala tebi.
Vam gledalci pa en lep dober tek.
Dober tek.